How to block unknown Snapchat users. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to block unknown user on Snapchat, you could either block specific accounts that have messaged you or proactively change your privacy settings to prevent non-friend from contacting you at all. To block an individual or specific unknown user, just launch open your Snapchat, go to the chat section. Here, locate the user that you wish to block. Long press, then go ahead and look for manage friendship. There you have block options. Simply select the block and confirm it, and this way you'll be able to block. And if you want to prevent unknown user from contacting you, tap the Bitmoji at the very top left, then the gear icon at the very top right. Here, you want to go to privacy control, which is at the bottom. Actually, go to permissions and there you have contact. So you could simply go ahead and locate the contact options, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and enable friends only, or you can also go ahead and look for contact me section and friends only. In this way you'll be able to prevent unknown Snapchat user. So that's how you can block unknown Snapchat user. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.